Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add features and variations of features to your products, which will link to the filters on the Shop It Near site. So let me just show you for information first. On the products drop down, there's the features option, and that shows you all the features that we have pre-filled on Shop It Near, things that we think probably customers will want to search for these. For example, dietary options relating to food products and color can be across all categories. People might want to be filtering for specific colors, things for electricals and size as well. So these are ones that are set. And if you have a product, for example, an item of clothing that comes in different colors, and you think customers are going to want to filter to find the right type of color clothing for them, then this would be how you would add that to your product. So let's go to products and I'll show you how to do this. I've created a test product and now I'm going to add 3 colors and 2 sizes to it. So I'm going to go to the variations tab here and I'm going to add variations. So I'm going to type in the color and the size feature. Let me scroll down, it's come up. Here's color. I select that and you can see it comes up behind. And also I'm going to select size. And that too has come up behind. This drop down menu doesn't like to disappear, so just pop it over, click over here and it will. Oh, one important thing to note before you add these variations is if your product has an option, for example, personalization, then make sure you add that first. You can refer to your seller admin guide or the video that we have done on how to create an option including personalization. Do that first before you come to do these features and variations. Right, so now I'm going to add the different colors that I have available. So I have red, I have green, and I have blue. We've tried to put a comprehensive list of colors on here, but if there's a color that you think is not just really applicable to your product, but would be applicable to many products and customers would want to be searching for it, and we've missed it off our list, just drop us an email and let us know, and we'll happily add that on. So I've got my 3 colors, and now I'm going to put my sizes in. On the size variations, we've got numerical sizes, and we've also got small, medium, and different expressions of that. So I've got a small and a medium version of this product. Okay, I've added in all my variations, and now I can scroll down and see the different combinations. So I've got green small, green medium, blue small, blue medium, red small, red medium. The color will always come first before the size. Now, if you notice, this one has an arrow next to it. This is the default product, and the medium one is almost like a child of this one. So similarly with the blue and with the red, one of the products is like the parent, and the rest could be 2 or 3 variations underneath it are the children. Now, if you're looking at this list and you think, actually, I don't have a blue medium, you can remove that and that will not show. Let's say I do have a blue medium, but what I don't have is a blue small. If you try and delete this now, because this is the parent one, it will take the child with it, and you don't want that. So what you need to do is set the blue medium as the default. If you hover over, here, let me select. If you select it again, put the blue medium, set as that as the default variation. Then you can see that now this blue medium has a little arrow next to it. This one is now the parent, and I can remove the child, the blue small. So when you're happy that you've got the correct variations that you need, you can also change the price if there's one that's more expensive. You can amend the quantity. You might have different numbers of these items in stock. Amend the product code, which is unique. When you're happy with everything being correct, press Create 5 variations. And now I'm going to show you the product on the preview button so you can see what it looks like. You'll see how customers will view it on your shop front and be able to select. Here we go. So color, people can select it from the menu, and size. Now you can put images as well for each of these, which with color will probably be very relevant. So you would do that by just clicking on the product and one of these products here and adding the relevant image on the general tab. Now, one other thing I just want to show you before we finish is all of these are linked to the main product. You can unlink them and make them as separate products. Probably unlikely you'd want to do this, but that would, oh, sorry, press the wrong button. That would be on this other tab here, on Actions and disband the group. And if you did that, that would create each of these variations as a single product on your catalog. You can edit features of this group at any time, and you can manage the variations by, for example, changing which one is the default or removing one of the variations if it's no longer there. For more information, please do refer to your Seller Admin Guide, and if you have any questions or need any support, drop us an email at support@shopitnear.co.uk.